Finding a rare Jeep gem. During my adventures in Colorado, I was lucky enough to come across a real Jeep gem. It's an old 1960s Willys Jeep. We thought it was a CJ3A because that's what it looks like, but they didn't make the CJ3A in 1960. The Kaiser Willys CJ3B were in production at that time from 53 to 64. But a 3B's hood is different from the 3A. The 3B had the new F-head Hurricane engine, which demanded a higher hood structure. The Jeep I came across doesn't have that hood, so I did some digging. I got online to do some research. What you do, if you have the title, there's a VIN number, but actually back in the early or before the 70s, it was not a VIN number, it was a serial number. And there's a website where you can look up the serial number, and it's the Willie Kaiser's website, and that link's in the description below. But if you don't have the title, you can find the VIN number or serial number somewhere on the Jeep. Typically, you find the VIN number in the windshield on the driver's side. However, this rare gem was before that, so you need to get under the hood on the passenger side. There is a metal tag with the serial number. My research uncovered this Jeep is a rare vintage Jeep, a DJ3A. DJ does not stand for delivery Jeep. In this case, it stands for dispatch Jeep. It was meant to be an inexpensive run-around town Jeep. Most were two-wheel drive. This one had a four-wheel drive special option. This model was introduced in 1955 as a two-wheel drive variant of the four-wheel drive. You could request the four-wheel drive as an option. This was a three-door commercial vehicle. It had different body options: soft top, metal top, full van body, or the Surrey, which was used in the resorts. They were marketing this Jeep as the perfect vehicle for economical deliveries and for carefree business and pleasure transportation. One of the models was the postal delivery vehicle with the right side driver position. This DJ3A model also gained popularity in the resorts in Hawaii, Mexico, and the Caribbean as the fun vehicle. It was finished in blue, pink, or green with matching white striped fabric. In my research, I also saw at one time Pepsi distributors use this Jeep to deliver Pepsi to the stores. There are so many cool, fun Jeeps out there. Those old vintage Jeeps are so fun to find. Have you come across any cool, fun vintage Jeeps? Comment below, and please hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel.